Hi everybody, Terry Brown here. This is a short thought on making a decision to transform your life. You see, one of the most powerful things that you could ever do for yourself is to make a quality, definitive decision about your life, to change your life, to grow your life. We have the power to write or to change our own story. But we cannot be afraid to say what we want our lives to be, what we want our lives to look like, or how our story will be. Start speaking to yourself what the vision of your future is. Decide today to start changing your story. I remind myself that God is ultimately in control, but I have been given by the divine the awesome ability to create with my words, my thoughts, and my actions. And so have you. Never underestimate the power of your decisions. They have the power to shape our destiny. Tony Robbins says that decision is the ultimate power. I've got to say that one more time. Decision is the ultimate power. Your decisions determine who you are and who and what you'll be. You can decide to change your life today. A decision that is powerful enough will produce a powerful new action to help you transform your life. If you're going to accomplish anything, you're going to have to start with a decision and a desire to do so. My favorite thing about everything is that you have the power to change anything. Well, I hope I said something that might inspire you, might encourage you, or motivate you in some way. You see, we never have to settle for less than we need, than we want, than we desire and even deserve to have. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful and magnificent day today. Bye-bye now.